In this video, we'll explore how to save your own animated components for reuse across countless other projects. Select the parent group with all the animated elements on your canvas. Right-click and choose Save to Library. Or from the Properties panel, you can click on Save to Library. The element is saved with all its animations intact, ready to be dropped into future projects. You'll find it in the Uploads section of your library. Let's now go to another project. Open the library, hit Refresh. Here's our saved animation from before. Move the playhead to 0 seconds. The keyframes of the animation you'll be adding from the library will be added starting from the current position of the playhead. Just click on it to add it to your canvas. From here, you can adjust the animation as you please. You can move its position or scale it up, for example. Let's switch back to the Elements tab. If you lock the pencil group, its keyframes will hide from the timeline, giving you a clearer view of the shape's animation we just added. Hit play. Now, let's adjust the timing of our shape's animation to match the timing of our pencil animation. Extend the last keyframes from the shape's animation to 4 seconds, and move the intermediary ones to 2 seconds on the timeline. This helps you keep the two animations in sync easily. Awesome! The animation is now ready.